This story is about how one company with a dream of making the world safer figured out how. This company realized that 250,000 facilities around the world were trying to discover risk on their own, in silos of one another, and were surprised they weren't learning from others and their experience around unsafe days. Their discovering of risks were similar, yet different, and their objectives to minimize unsafe days were exactly the same. This iceberg visual reflects that surprises and high costs will continue should they choose to operate in silos and not share their learnings. Most operators are not aware they only assess up to 33% of the potential hazardous events. This visual shows 14% total risk discovery out of the total possible risk discovery of 100% between all known facilities, and shows millions of spend on just a fraction of the total risk, and shows out of the millions spent, just a small portion was required, or a 75% savings could have been realized with risk discovery. In 2015, the energy market crashed. The market wanted new solutions and wanted to make better business decisions. The company took advantage of its 4,000 risk data sets from over 250 different process unit types, all with high hazards and risks. It took the company 5 years to appreciate and understand what 10 million learnings and analysis of 100,000 PID drawings and 200,000 pieces of major equipment could do for everyone. The data collected was hiding the answers to a better way and a more complete way to understand risk and eliminate unsafe days, and provided data to answer questions which helped owners be compliant with risk-based standards like CCPS 2007. And the company also became efficient at collecting and analyzing the data 800% faster. These visuals represent some of the new understanding the company discovered over the last 5 years. The visuals inspired the company with new clarity and understanding about risk, and turned into a call to action by the company that everyone could do better and reduce the likelihood in 250,000 facilities around the world. The visuals mean 250,000 facilities are likely wasting money on the wrong things: actions, equipment, maintenance, spare parts, training, procedures, auditing the wrong things, unaware and siloed without knowing anything about what others do for mitigating and understanding risk. 1. Audits find critical safeguards out of service, 37%. 2. Management unaware of inconsistency between like process units, plus or minus 80%. 3. A new way to measure risk discovery is key to the sustainability of industries, 14%. 4. A new way to measure risk learnings is key to educate the young and operations, 8.4 million. Now that we see the business value in the data, how can we make it impactful to your organization? How can Risk Alive impact your business with the data, the learnings, and the perspectives we have discovered? Can we enable your operations and facilities to apply these learnings and inspire them that these learnings will help them better operations decisions? Tim was able to manage the risks, reinforce his safety and operations, and make strategic business decisions. Everyone in Tim's company is now inspired to be safer together by participating in risk assessments and visiting the Risk Learnings Library. This gave Tim and his operations a way to learn about risk on the job. Soon, Tim's operations were left wanting to know why they had waited so long to start making risk-based decisions. They had the data all the time. However, they just did not realize it was this easy and was ingested from their own PHAs and risk assessments. Tim soon realized that Risk Alive was the only company he had seen or heard of that took the time and monies to build the world's largest risk learnings library of risk and safety learnings. They claim 100 million in 3 years using analytics that Tim had ever seen. And so, access to the library of learnings and the Risk Alive advisory team made it possible for Tim to keep the safety and profits he was looking for. Tim and his business have benefited directly from Risk Alive and their world-sized learnings library on risk and safety. Tim encourages every facility to inspire their operations and engineering groups and share their learnings by participating in the Risk Alive platform. The effort and time to build the world's largest library is considerable. Investors or those willing to support this digital effort to digitize the safety world are encouraged to contact invest@riskalive.com. Call Risk Alive today for global access to the world's largest risk learnings library and visit their website, www.riskalive.com.